Shahzad Arsi this side, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Shahzad Arsi YouTube channel. Guys, let's get started with this video. So, what this video is all about? Guys, as you have seen in the thumbnail, this video is all about Green Geeks hosting review. And let me tell you guys upfront that this is honest review, and you will learn all the insight about Green Geek hosting, as well as why this hosting is giving neck on neck competition with SiteGround. So let's begin with this video. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Okay guys, let's get started. So let's move to the first slide. What it is, why it is the best alternative of SiteGround, right? Let's move to the first element, that is cost. Okay, now I'm in the homepage of Green Geek official websites. When you will hover over to hosting, you will find web hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and reseller hosting. And for this video demonstration purpose, I am going to explain you about this WordPress hosting, because this is the most popular hosting, and many bloggers and online marketers, as well as experienced business owners, they start with, or this is the by far the favorite among all of them. So I am going with this WordPress hosting. So um, I will click on C plans. Before clicking on C plans, you can see, guys, it starts with dollar 2.95 per month. So I will click on C plans. Okay, guys, instantly you can see there are three plans: light, pro, and premium. As in the case of SiteGround, you have also three plans: starter, grow big, and grow gigs, or similarly like that. So similarly there are three plans: light, pro, and premium. And for one website you can host, you will pay dollar 0.95 per month, and for unlimited website you will pay dollar 5.95 per month. Okay guys, regular price is dollar 9.95 per month, and the regular price of pro is dollar 14.95. So guys, let's move ahead and see what is next. Renewal charge, guys. uh, this is by far concern of business owner, and as well as bloggers. That's what is the renewal charge. They want the renewal charge to be less, but to be honest with you guys, the renewal charge of this Green Geek hosting plan is similar to SiteGround. You pay for the first time dollar 5.95 per month for the unlimited website, but when you are about to renew, whether you have purchased your hosting for 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, when your host your when you are about to renew, then you have to pay again back to the regular price, dollar 14.95 per month for this pro. And for the light plan you will pay dollar 9.95 per month. So guys, if you are someone who is looking, who is happy or who is satisfied with this Green Geek plan, then I will recommend you to go for the longer run, maybe 2 years, 3 years, so that this way you pay less upfront. But at least you should start, or go for 1 year, one complete year. This way you can easily check that this hosting is good for you or not. And if you are satisfied within 1 year that this hosting is good for you, then you can upgrade through different email for 3 years or 5 years. So that way you will pay less, or you can simply upgrade that plan. Okay, maybe some offers may be running, so that you will be paying less in the renewal, when you are about to renew. So guys, let's move ahead. what is the performance and uptime speed? Guys, I'm considering this through the pingdom, and through this pingdom speed metric, or sorry, uptime test, this website is found that the uptime of this website is 99.99, which is phenomenal, guys, which is amazing, because there are very few hosting that provide this uh, uh, this much uptime. Uptime is something that if your website hosting, sorry, hosting is down, then your website will not load, so the end user will suffer, or you will have a bad reputation on the online market. So the uptime matters the most. So this uptime is something which is amazing, and very few hosting like SiteGround, Green Geeks, and very few, maybe uh, five among 100 of hosting, maybe 10 hosting, I guess 10 hosting will have this much uptime. So guys, let's move ahead. Company and reputation and people opinion. Okay, and I'm talking about Trustpilot review. You know Trustpilot because it is most trusted source where you can find the whatever source like plugins, themes, hosting. What is people are telling about that, or what is the reputation of that company. So I'm in this Trustpilot site. Now I will type in front of you guys Green Geeks. Let me type it for you guys. Green Geeks. Okay, this is the name of the hosting. You will see instantly, you will find this Green Geek. I will click on it. You can check from your end also, guys. This Green Geek web hosting is reviewed by 323 person, and it is rated 4.7, guys. It is excellent. Now let me compare it with SiteGround, guys, so that you get to know that why it is going neck on neck competition with SiteGround. Okay, I am in this SiteGround. I will click on SiteGround. Just compare this to, guys. 4.8, guys. 4.7 is Green Geek, which is excellent, and this 4.8, it is giving neck on neck competition, guys, to SiteGround. Let me type another, because let me be honest with you and type another hosting, which is okay. What the issue? uh, okay, bear with me, guys. Yeah, Bluehost. You have heard of Bluehost, and you know that it is top recommended hosting by WordPress. So I will click on Bluehost and check its rating here. Okay, guys, see, this is live in front of you, guys. Bluehost, and you can check out this on your end also, guys. Bluehost is bad in the eyes of Trustpilot review. So although it is the top 3 recommended hosting by WordPress, but I'm not promoting this host, guys. Bluehost. So guys, be very, I'm being very honest with you. So guys, this all are live in front of you, guys, so you can check it from your end. This is Green Geek hosting review by Trustpilot 4.7, excellent. SiteGround, as you know, as usual, it is always excellent, 4.8. And Bluehost, it is in front of you, live in front of you, guys. See, it is bad. So let's move ahead, and you can check from your end also, guys, to be 100% satisfied before buying this hosting. So guys, let's move ahead. Unlimited features breakthrough. Let me be honest with you and show you the unlimited features which is this hosting is promising. Unlimited website, guys, and unlimited website, and unlimited data transfer. I will talk about these three. Okay, and I'm talking about pro, guys, for this video. Guys, unlimited website, although it is listed in the platform, the unlimited website, but to be honest, if you are having website and you are getting 10,000 visitors per month, then I must be honest with you, guys. I'm that if you are getting 10,000 visitors on your website per month, then if you are holding or you are hosting more than 10 websites, and each website is getting 10,000 visitors each month, then guys, 10,000 visitors for 10 websites it will handle easily. But if you are hosting more than 10 websites with same amount of traffic, 10,000 visitors per month on each website, then your website will lag, or your website hosting will be down, or your website will suffer. So 10 websites, 10,000 visitors per month, it can handle easily. Okay. Unlimited web space. Similarly, unlimited web space is, I told you, 10,000 visitors, 10 websites, it can handle easily. Unlimited data transfer. Similarly, like these three goes hand in hand. So I told you, let's move ahead. uh Customer support, guys. Customer support of this WordPress, sorry, Green Geek is amazing, guys. Why I'm saying amazing? Because it is because of its customer support, that where it is support, it is because of this customer support, this hosting is giving neck on neck competition with SiteGround. So you can check it from your end also, guys. This is the customer support page. Getting started, managing your Green Geeks account, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, website builder, website migration, email, domains, okay, cPanel, SSL certificate, Power Cacher, developer tools, server question, affiliate program, Cloudflare, billing policies. Other, you will have all, for all the purposes you will have support here. So let's click here for this purpose, cPanel. Okay, let's see what it is. See, how do I change my cPanel password? When you will come to this page, you will see they will show you through the pictures, that how you can change your cPanel password. Similarly, you can do others also. Check it for other purpose also. Okay, I am all again going back to the home page. So guys, support is something that is amazing for this Green Gigs. So that's why it is uh, going neck on neck competition with SiteGround. So guys, let me move ahead. Customer support, I told you, amazing. Seven is security and SSL certificate, guys. Security and SSL certificate is provided by Green Geeks. uh, Let me show you again. Security and SSL certificate is provided by, see guys, SSL certificate, free SSL certificate. Okay. And free nightly backup, daily backup, it is provided daily, free nightly backup. Okay, let's move ahead. I hope this is clear for you. Free site migration, guys. It also provide free site migration. Okay, it is not showing here, but when you will come to the home page again, you can find, yes, free site migration. It provides free site migration from this hosting. You can check all this SSD storage, built-in, etc., etc. Okay. And yeah, it provides free site migration. Let me show you where it is. Yeah, how to transfer a website, guys. It provides free site migration. Okay, it provides free site migration as in the case of SiteGround. Similarly, it is in this Green Gigs. Okay, let's move ahead. Eco-friendly hosting providers. Guys, if you are something who want to go for eco-friendly hosting, and this is the only hosting that provides eco-friendly hosting. So if you are something who want to protect your environment and make it eco-friendly, then you should definitely go and check out this hosting and from your end. Okay, because this is the only hosting that is eco-friendly. So let's move ahead. Added benefit, guys. Added benefit, I want to show you what is the added benefit of this hosting. Again, I will click on WordPress hosting. Mhm. Let's see, guys. Only difference between SiteGround and this Green Geek is that it provides, where it is, yeah, free domain for first year. Guys, it provides free domain for first year. Means you save at least what, uh, I don't know what will be the charge of the um, domain. Each domain, you can check the charge of the domain. If the domain is available, maybe 500 to 1000 rupee, Indian rupees, you will save on this. This, you get 1000 uh, rupees worth domain free of cost. Okay, that you save from this hosting. Okay, let's move ahead. Added benefit. as I told you, free domain that is provided by this hosting. And the best part is it comes with 30-day money back guarantee, guys. If you are not happy with this hosting, then within 30 days you can initiate that you are not happy with the hosting of Green Geek hosting, then you will get your money back. You can initiate your money back within 30 days. Okay, no question ask, money back from this hosting provider. So I hope that I am able to demonstrate each and every aspect of this hosting. And guys, to be honest with you guys, get booking this hosting, and is very straightforward. You just have to click on get started, fill up the form. That's not so tough. You have to enter your domain and check whether it is available. Okay, then you have to click next. Then yeah, then you have to click next and enter all your details. So let me show you that part also, guys, so that you will see that I am not leaving you in midway. Okay, let me show that part also, guys. Mhm. Guys, it is very straightforward, guys. You can see you have to enter your email here, first name, last name. Your business name is optional, you don't need to fill. Your street address, city, state, zip code, uh, country, phone number, and package information. What is the package information is, it is I told you, it is $5.95 per month. Okay, server location, where you want to change, if you want to change your location, you can easily change it. Guys, server location is somewhere where you are getting maximum traffic. Suppose you are getting maximum traffic from United States, then if you are someone who is from India, then you should definitely check out United States, because if you are getting maximum traffic from United States, then there is no point to uh, host your, or to to have server location from Europe. If you are getting maximum traffic from United States, then you will choose that United States here. Okay, then these all are the add-ons. If you want, then you can have that, or if you don't want, then you can easily disable that. Then you can check out the, sorry, where it is gone, guys. Again, I'm coming to this server location. Let me again check that Europe only, so that I can see. It is not showing the price, guys. It is not showing the price. Earlier it was showing. So you can check, guys, that if you don't want this, then you can easily cancel that. Okay, it is listed here also, 30-day money back. Then you are almost done, guys. You have to just enter your detail and fill out the details, name, address, phone number, and choose your server location, account plan. Okay, let me choose the account plan, where it is showing Eco Pro per month. I don't want the per month, annually I want, no. So if I am going with annual, then I will click on this 7.95. Then the price will come, guys. The price is $95, guys. It is less than $100, I told you. So you get a free domain as well as hosting for 1 year. Okay, then you just have to enter your credit card information, uh, and that's it. You will create an account, and instantly you will receive an email from this Green Geek, and you have to note down your email and password for the login purpose of the cPanel. And that's it, you are all done. And you, this way you get Green Geek hosting. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video, and I urge you to please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Sazadar C YouTube channel, guys. I am I am being honest with you guys, and I will provide many informative video in the future. and I am someone who is a growing entrepreneur and a digital marketer, as well as I'm a blogger. So I will provide whatever I am learning in my blogging journey that I began in 2017. So I will provide all the learning that I am having, and whatever issue I am facing, I will share it with you so that you don't repeat the mistake that I have made. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video, please like this video, share it in your community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel. And I would love to hear from you what you think about this video. Please share your thoughts, share your comment in the comment section. See you in another video, guys. This is Shahzad Darsi signing off for now. Take care. Bye.